In the last course module, we had a very thorough look at all the important basics of Flutter and Dart. Now, when you're building Flutter applications, things will occasionally go wrong. You'll have errors. And in addition, thus far, we only tested our app on an Android emulator, but in reality, you of course want to test your application also on iOS simulators and on real devices. Therefore, in this module, we'll have a look at how you can run your app on different platforms, so on Android and iOS, and on real devices, and how you can test your app there. We'll also have a look at error messages, because things will occasionally go wrong. You will have some errors in your code, and reading and understanding error messages and fixing errors is a crucial part of development, so we'll have a look at that. And then there sometimes also are errors without error messages, because they might be logical errors in your code, which are hard to spot and fix. For this, we'll have a look at the Visual Studio Code debugger, which you can use and how to use it to walk through your code in detail and have a look into your code whilst it is running to really understand where a problem might be stemming from. Now that all helps us with fixing issues in our code, but sometimes the UI doesn't look the way it should look, or we're not sure whether we're updating some part of the UI unnecessarily. And for that, you will learn how to use the Dart dev tools and the Flutter inspector, which are tools that allow you to visually debug your app, so understand the user interface and why it looks the way it does look, and also get a brief insight into how to debug or measure performance and get a feeling for that. This is it for this module. Let's dive right in.